Missing a critical code dependency like the Msvcp140d.dll. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to show you the professional way to fix it. This DLL file is the debug version of the Microsoft C++ runtime library used during software development. It includes extra diagnostic routines and symbols that allow developers to identify memory leaks and logic errors within Visual Studio. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Reinstalling Microsoft Visual C Redistributable is the safest fix. Download both x86 and x64 editions of the Visual C redistributables from Microsoft and install them. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the Msvcp140d bug, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Replacing the Msvcp140 debug without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. The final step to managing your library alerts and restoring your system's health is here. Click the link in the description for the optimization software to synchronize the Msvcp140 debug now. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.